inform you that the emergency exits are located as follows: 4 doors on the left hand side and 4 doors on the right hand side. All doors are marked with an exit sign that has a print with an inflatable side. Now the cabin crew will show you the exit to your seat. Remember that the nearest exit may be behind you, and in the event of an emergency, floor level lighting in the aisle will guide you to the exits. Each seat is equipped with a seatbelt. In order to fasten your seatbelt, insert the clip into the clasp and adjust it to your waist like this. To unfasten it, lift the metal tab.
Oh yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it?
A life jacket is located under your seat, but you must not remove it unless it's instructed to by a member of the crew.
On landing.
To use it, slip the jacket over your head, pass the strap around your waist, and attach it to the clasp at the front. Pull the strap to adjust the jacket to your waist, and to inflate it, pull the same red tab sharply. The jacket may also be inflated by blowing into the tubes on either side. It must not be inflated until you are outside, as it may obstruct the exits. All life jackets are equipped with a light oxygen masks. In the event of a pressure loss in the cabin, compartments above your seat will open automatically and release oxygen masks. Should this happen, pull one of the masks sharply towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth, adjusting with the elastic strap, as we now show, and then breathe normally. Before helping other people, you must place yours on first. Safety cards. Please now read the safety card instructed located in the seat box in front of you. The instructions are very important for your safety, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. You may use your small electronic devices as long as they are in flight mode or similar, with the data transfer function deactivated. We also remind you the importance of compliance with the crew instructions. To be further taken on, please make sure your seatbelt is upright, your seatbelt fastened with your tray table folded away, your armrest down and your window blind fully open. Please check that bags or loose items are safely put in the seat in front of you, and thank you for listening and have a lovely flight.
What? Pay a lot. Yes, but the lady just said his window lights need to be fully open. Take off. Yeah, well I heard it. Not listening to the lady, are you? Make sure that window's open. Window's light open. Your phone just would phone you off.
Do you record it a lot?
Yeah, I'm a big plane nerd.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Right. What's special about this plane?
Well, it wasn't meant to be doing this route about 5 months ago. I've already got an email saying.
That's a good point actually, yeah, I didn't realise it was such a good plane.
Yeah, they changed it from, I think it was 737 to this.
What's this then?
Airbus A330.
Is it an A330?
Yeah, A330.
Oh, okay.
Well, this aircraft belongs to World2Fly.
Right.
That are Portuguese or something.
Okay.
And yes, it's a good opportunity. I've been on most rejected planes.
Oh yeah,
been
right,
on
okay.
the red and grey one. The other Airbus one.
Yeah.
It's a little bit smaller than this.
Right.
And a lot of those are 757s.
Right, okay,
So,
yeah, I usually go on them ones, that's the ones that I use.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've not been on one of these before though.
they're quite old though.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
are, yeah. How old is this then?
I think it's 13 years.
Right.
13 years old.
That's relatively new.
Well, yeah. It's been worn down a little bit.
Yeah.
We've taken loads.
They're just shipping it backwards and forwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were using this company last summer with an A350, which is more modern than this.
Yeah.
I never got the chance to fly in that.
Right, okay.
But that was delayed by 5 hours.
Oh my god,
So
that's
I
awful.
thought this was bad.
So what do? You just go backwards and forwards on
Yeah, I
the
record it and put it on YouTube, on Facebook.
Oh right, okay.
Interesting
Cool.
hobby.
So you just watch it off every weekend or something and just...
Well, I just post
Yeah. Do you make a living out of it?
some, not a lot.
Right, but some...
But
yeah,
it depends. It depends on watch time and
Yeah.
stuff. It's not my job though. I work in a school.
Okay, oh dear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Site
But the kids
management.
love it, yeah.
Site management stuff.
Love it.
Yeah.
Do you let the kids follow you on YouTube? Is it a public page?
No. Well, I used to work in a secondary school, and we knew all about the plane obsession.
Yeah.
So I used to watch the planes on the bench.
Yeah.
I have my flight radar open.
Yeah.
Like, what have you seen today?
yeah.
What have you seen today?
I've got that app as well, but I went from a plane then, but I do love flying.
I had a notepad and everything.
Yeah.
I'd say, oh, this is during the lockdown. I said, oh, we'll see now. EasyJet and that's it.
And yeah.
But yeah, they were nice.
Cool. This is not recording sound, is it? It sounds like I don't know.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's an interesting one.
Yeah. So what's it like flying on one of these compared to one of them then? Is it
7.5.
Is it smooth to fly?
Oh yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing is with the other Jet 2 air tankers, they're flown by RAF pilots,
Okay.
not Jet 2 pilots.
Right.
So they're probably naturally better. So that's why it's probably smoother.
Ah, right.
I've flown Wamos,
Right.
airline for Wamos on one of these, which
Yeah.
it's a night flight from Mallorca.
Okay.
But I have to see how it goes. Normally the 330 is quite comfortable. So
Right, okay.
it's not quieter than 7.5s and 7.6s.
Yeah, they're really noisy, aren't they?
Yes,
Yeah, they are.
screechy.
Yeah. Especially if you sat over the wing as well.
Oh yeah.
You're only just half an hour late.
I used to do a lot of spotting at the RVP place, the runway viewing park.
Yeah.
And whenever they're turning right onto when you're there and they're screeching really loud. One of my mates is flying down for the coronation today. He's on a BA flight.
Oh, right.
So he's pushed back right now apparently.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I've got a mate recording me as well. Down there.
Right.
Yeah.
So somebody's recording you from the viewing.
I'll sync it up.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Wow. So there's obviously a group of other viewers.
Yeah. I didn't know he was going down. He said, I'll catch you at takeoff, Sam. I'll be like, oh, thank you very much.
Oh. How do you connect then? Do you connect via like Facebook? Or like,
Yeah,
just people
YouTube,
that you
email. I've got this guy's email.
Yeah.
He's done me a lot of favours in the past of getting takeoffs and landings
okay.
and stuff.
It must cost you a fortune, don't you?
Oh, some of them are quite cheap.
Do you do standby or?
No.
No. I can't really do that very often actually. I used to be able to do that a lot, but no. And when do you come back? Do you just go
I'll come back today.
So you're going there and back?
Yeah, I'm on a Ryanair flight at 2 o'clock.
Oh my god.
This gets crazy.
So you literally just get into the town and then come back?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's funny. Because I can.
So you enjoy time? Sorry, I'm telling him.
Yeah, just tell him I'm a plane nerd.
Plane nerd. His wife's not there. Plane nerd. His friend's recording the takeoff from the viewing platform. And he's recording it for me, and then this thing come up. Yeah. You'll have to tell us what your YouTube, what your channel is, and then we'll go and follow.
The girls want to know what you're flying.
What, this flight or the flight coming back?
This one.
£63.
63. No, 63.
I found flights for £15. £15 of Ryanair.
Okay, it's like, no, it's cheap. I'm like,
Yeah. Skyscanner. I get automatic discounts, so I can.
Flyer.
Oh, when did I book it? I do not know. I can't remember. It was recently, about maybe a week ago. Yeah. Yeah. No frills.
Yeah, this is like luxury now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plane's about 13 years old, this one.
Well, I brought 3 bags, so yeah, you did. Well, I brought 3 bags, so yeah, you did. Well, that's all.
Oh yeah.
So do your friends do the same then, and they just like pop backwards and forwards? Do you mainly do Europe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tenerife.
If you've got a
Go to
weekend.
Tenerife all the time. I had a nightmare about a month ago. That was quite fun.
Yeah. Tenerife's alright.
I've been to Ibiza.
Yeah.
Stayed at the Ushuaia Hotel.
Oh yeah.
Which is
yeah.
raucous.
Yeah.
It's quite fun.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Only for a day, just got a day pass.
Yeah.
Well.
Because if you went to school, you haven't really got that many options, have you? It's not like you just take time all the time.
Oh, I love that. Lauren's just put, yeah, so we've got a discount. Lauren's just put it in the chat. Yeah, but see must be a regular.
What's the best airline to fly with them?
What, for a holiday? Bloody jet too. I've had issues with TUI.
Have you? I would probably
Delays.
say that actually, rejected them. I went to Ventura at Easter.
Oh yeah.
Flew with Ryanair, and they're just so strict. Everything's like,
Yeah.
I'd never get away with this size bag that I've got, even though it's like a canvas bag.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, there were people that just charge you for everything.
Yeah.
Like, literally.
Little skanks.
Yeah, definitely.
I've got a video of some woman shouting at people saying, "We're doing a safety demo, shut up." It's like school.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is. To be fair, I mean, I always think the staff, like, I wouldn't say they're unprofessional, but they don't like, they look like they just drag themselves out of bed.
Yeah.
Literally, they don't want to be there, just drag themselves out of bed. Whereas on Jet 2, I do find that they're always really well presented, and it's always a real professional setup.
Yeah. I mean, TUI are professional. But
Yeah, they are, yeah.
I just don't think they can keep up with Jet 2. Just fun. I mean, last summer was a nightmare. I was on 767s to Tenerife, and I think like 4-hour delays, and I'm just glad I had a flight back at evening.
Right,
Didn't
so that, yeah.
pick over up because I knew what was going to happen.
Yeah. God, yeah, I mean, that's the risk, isn't it? I suppose if you're flying out there and then the flight's late, like...
That's the biggest fear. I was meant to go to Iceland in October.
Oh, right, wow.
We brought in a 767. It was a school trip and thing, so it was bigger than usual. And it was cancelled right there when it landed at Manchester. The pilot brought it down so hard. I probably shouldn't say this, but the ceiling panels detached. The oxygen masks flew down, and this was on that runway down there. It's just awful. It's just like the plane's gone tech. So I waited about an hour.
Right.
And then, it's cancelled. I was like, why is it cancelled? And one of my mates said, did you see the landing? I was like, no, you can't see the runway from C1. So that was...
So can you tell if it's like a hard landing then?
Yeah.
Like from when you're watching? Is it really obvious?
Yeah, usually, yeah. I mean, that one, it was short of its marks.
Right, okay.
But one of my mates were like spotting right at the end of the runway, so we could see the gear coming down, and you could see the impact there, but you couldn't see it from, for example, someone recording way over there. It's just the angle.
Right. So these need a longer run up then?
Oh,
with these being
it depends on how many people. I think this one's going to be a longer run. Yeah.
Yeah. I always imagine that when they're a bigger plane, it'll need a longer
Yeah.
run to get the
I've
speed up.
seen the A380 rotate around here.
Right.
They haven't used the whole runway.
Right, okay. So interesting.
Yeah.
Really interesting. I've got my friend's son that is big into trains, and I didn't realise how much interest there was. Not interest, but like literally they go everywhere. So a bit like you know,
Yeah.
but you just it's in this country, but he goes everywhere. You know, jump on a train, and even jump there, and
Yeah.
you know, he's recording on his tripod all the time. And, yeah.
On the station.
Yeah, absolutely, and he's monitoring like who's going where to see, you know. And again, the same on like YouTube and TikTok.
Yeah. I don't do TikTok.
Do you not?
I don't understand it. I don't. I have people who say, "Oh, you should try it. You should give it a go." I'm like, no.
Yeah,
No.
I don't. It's just seems like an overcomplicated beast.
I've been on YouTube for 9 years, so I know how that works.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
about.
to grips with it. Yeah.
But yeah.
Price is good to have.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What do the kids think at school?
For primary school, well, with primary school, it's different because
Yeah.
You've-
Suppose you can't talk about it as much, maybe.
no, because they don't understand it, and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
secondary school kids are like I don't know, like if you sat somewhere, but they all come bombing towards you. Whereas primary school kids, they're just like, oh, he's a teacher. Because I'm about similar age, and I'm older.
yeah,
They're like,
of course.
oh, Sam,
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's great fun.
That's what the competition's like today. They're alright, aren't they? It's not a Monday.
Yeah, I feel okay. I think.
Cloudy there, always cloudy in Manchester.
Yeah, I used to work in the art tech,
Alright.
and then I got moved to DT, and then I went back to art, and then I think I chose, I'm sick of this school, I'm going to move on.
Yeah.
So that's what I did.
Secondary schools are a bit harsh, aren't they? I used to be a teacher. I don't think I would. Well, I was a teacher for 12 years and I wouldn't go back.
Yeah.
So, it's hard work, especially now.
Yeah. There's cheeky.
Yeah,
Like
they are,
cheeky.
that's right. You've got
And there's no
manners,
discipline.
Yeah. Totally agree.
You can't even say you can't run in the corridors now. They say thank you for not running in the corridors. Like that's it.
Yeah, you've got to be really polite.
And they can't call a kid naughty.
That's right, yeah. Misbehaved.
Yeah.
No, I know, it's all a bit crazy. Is your friend ready? Ready to
I don't know if he's behind me. I don't know where he is.
Is he, what flight is he on? Where's he going?
No, he's going to Heathrow, his BA flight. He's going for the coronation. He booked it.
Oh, right,
He booked
okay,
it
yeah, yeah. Oh, God, I bet that's
in
an expensive
September.
flight.
He booked it in September.
Right.
So, yeah, he wants to see all that.
Oh, right, okay, fair enough.
I wanted to get out of the country for
Yeah, well, fair enough.
Oh, where is he? I can't see him. I hope he's delayed. I hope he's delayed by 10 hours. He misses it all.
Yeah, I don't know, it's fair. I'm really good.
I'm more annoyed that I could have got a car.
You get different McDonald's, don't you? Especially the ones that we now upgrade, like a lot.
Oh, he's taken. Oh no, sorry. No, he hasn't taken. No, he has just taken off. That's his flight, Manchester to London Heathrow.
Right,
Yeah, so
so he's just gone.
yeah, little bugger.
So what, he's just gone for the day as well?
Yeah, he's flying back.
He's paid a fortune for that flight. Is that
I don't-
right? Mind you.
I don't want to know. I'm not interested. I said, don't tell me anything about it. Just show me the pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, he's met Charles.
Is it?
Yeah, Liverpool was like, oh, okay. So he's going to meet him again.
Fair enough. Again, each to their own.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
loves it.
Where are we on? What runway are we going?
Runway 2, 23 left. Yeah, you can spot down here as well. It's really loud.
Is there loads of spaces that you can go?
Yeah, well, Manchester's known for just, great locations, great spots and stuff.
Okay.
I mean, there's somewhere down there which is the River Bowling or something.
Okay. Right.
It's quite complicated to get to,
Right.
but that place is called Southside or Style.
But it's really noisy.
Yeah.
stayed at a hotel last night that's near an 800 miles from me, and that was noisy enough. I could hear them all.
Yeah.
I could hear them absolutely full throttle on the runway, taking off like every 5 minutes.
Oh, that would have been the Canary flights coming in.
Would it? Yeah. Like, it was so noisy. It was about 10 o'clock last night, and it just felt like every like 2 minutes it was like bang, bang. It's literally one down, one up.
Yeah. Well, my mate was flying to Heathrow. Once he flew down and he landed, and the pilot said, "Thank you for flying EasyJet." He was looking out at Heathrow.
Looking out the window.
I don't know how that happened.
How long does it take? What do you do all your like clipping and everything when you're in the terminal and waiting to come back?
No, I do it at home.
Do it at
On professional editing software.
Right.
Yeah. It's like the same stuff people in Hollywood use.
Oh wow.
It's like Premiere, Final Cut Pro stuff.
You used to be making a living out of it.
I think I'll stick to the school money.
It's a steady income. This is a good hobby. It does feel different actually. It doesn't that weird. It's much quieter.
Smooth plane.
Yeah, it is smoother, much quieter.
I've flown on my Dreamliner.
Yeah,
That was smooth. I mean, look at them shaking.
yeah. Tell a couple of the girls over there are
Are we scared of
they're
flying?
nervous.
Oh,
They're not scared, but they've had a couple of
okay, yeah. Oh, okay, understand.
I think this is really smooth compared to normally. Normally you like bouncing.
Yeah. Yeah, he's going long. Feel on the rotation because he's a few meters longer, this variant. So he kind of has to go like that to avoid the tail stroke.
Oh, I see, that makes sense.
It's a little longer.
Yeah. But it is smooth though.
Oh yeah.
And I work speed too, so just in case of any turbulence. I see what you mean, it feels stinker. But that's, yeah, it's in the back, yeah.
If you was in there, if you was up there, you might feel that. I see a circle. Yeah, and there.
Does that mean when they come down then it's a little more up in the front when they come down with these?
They cook.
Or do I like slow it down?
They kind of flare it.
Yeah.
Airbus goes into a flare.
Right, okay.
But Airbus is fly-by-wire,
Right.
so it's not cables and pulleys.
Okay.
So when they
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like cables, but with Airbus it's a electronic signal to a computer
Right.
that moves an actuator.
Oh, right,
And there's
okay.
seven computers. We all monitor each other.
Yeah.
So if a pilot would abuse the system, the computer would overtake.
Override.
But the computers are built by different manufacturers.
Yeah.
There's another level of redundancy. So if there's a bug with a company's computer, they've got
Others.
yeah.
Okay.
Kind of how it works. Yeah. That's got nothing to do with it being smooth, but
Yeah.
it's just an Airbus, so
Yeah.
yeah, and a Boeing thing. But the 330, it's over-winged. It's, I don't know about this version of 330, but the 200, this is the 300, the 200 is longer, sorry, wider than it is long.
Right, okay.
So, on landing they've got an effect called single ground effect. You've got all this air under the wing and it kind of creates like a spring-loaded landing.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Aeronautical.
Yeah. So what did you go to uni to learn that, or did you?
No, just
picked it up as
I just spent the whole of the lockdown learning things that I wanted to know.
Yeah.
And also in school, I did a bit of it as well. I'd go into the ICT room, finish my work, and I'd just start researching things about engines, wings, all this information.
Yeah. Self-taught.
Yeah.
Think you'd ever do like a course or something?
I'm doing a course in September,
Right.
travel and tourism.
Oh yeah, that's
Do
what
that.
I did. I used to teach that.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's why I'm interested in it.
Oh, okay.
I love travelling. Yeah. What course are you doing? Are you doing a BTEC?
No, it's just, I think it's level 1, level 1 and it moves to level 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about BTEC. I don't know if it takes BTEC. Have you ever been to Menorca or not?
I have been to Menorca. I went to Menorca in 2021. It was my first holiday after lockdown. Yeah, it's nice there.
Where did you stay?
Now then. Let me tell
A
you.
lot of beaches.
There is, let me tell you. I know about my photos.
Not buying it round in a bad way.
We usually stay at Arundel,
No, definitely not there.
Sonbu or Binny Becker or one of them.
No, they don't ring a bell. Okay, it was. So we went to Citadella.
Oh yeah.
We stayed in. Oh well, that's the lighthouse that after our truck. But I don't know what means. It's not coming up. It's not giving me a location. Blue Jet 2.
Yeah.
Birmingham.
The red lights.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Centro Commercial. I don't know, it's not bringing me. I'm terrible, I can never remember. I just know that I went to Menorca. Citadella.
Citadella.
Yeah, Citadella, which was beautiful actually. Really liked it.
Wasn't Calablanca or anything?
Yeah, Citadella. Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah. I've been to Lanzarote a few times.
Yeah, nice.
That's an interesting place.
I don't know. So there's Lanzarote, Gran Canaria,
Some other weird one.
Fuerteventura and
La Gomera.
La Gomera. Yeah, La Gomera. Yeah, not been there. I've been the other.
That one's an oldie worldy place. I don't think anyone goes there for a holiday.
Wow. Look at this fishing. Nets out there.
Yeah.
Catching. Looks like a nice day.
Yeah. Yeah, the Dreamliner is very smooth.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's been really smooth. So we did have a little bit of turbulence, but you can actually feel it. Have you ever been to, I'll tell you a really good Madeira?
Oh yeah.
What a landing that.
My mate's been there.
Oh my god. Literally, when you're banking round and you're see the runway like there,
Yeah.
and you think, oh my god, how are we going to land on there? Because like, it's so short.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
Skiathos is hairy.
Is it?
I always wanted to go to Skiathos.
Yeah.
Because he used to stop at Thessalonica.
Right.
Fuel.
Oh right,
He
okay.
used to bring in the 7.5s there, and they used to fill them halfway so we could actually land and
Yeah.
not end up in the middle of
Yeah,
the sea.
yeah.
But my uncle Dave's been there.
Right, okay.
He's going to Mexico this year with TUI and a Dreamliner. Premium economy or something.
Oh,
I've shown him pictures of the
sounds
food
good.
and he's
Yeah. Is there such a thing as racking up air miles now then? Do you get points?
Yeah.
Do you get points with Skyscanner or anything?
Yeah, you can, but I think it's better with like the alliances,
Yeah,
like
yeah. Oh right, yeah.
One World and stuff.
Right. Yeah. Doing time-wise. Oh, about right. Just a very long descent.
Yeah. You want to hear it on the A380? Sounds like it's going through the...
Really?
I thought we'd hit like a telephone.
That does sound like it, doesn't it? That was right fine.
The A380 wings so big. It's not to see the ground.
Right.
It's like huge.
Feels like all of a sudden it's spinning. So who did you say generally flies these? Did you say these were by RAF?
No, they're the other ones. The ones with the red stickers.
Yeah. Right.
They didn't have a livery on them a few weeks ago. They were just like plain white.
Right.
That's one of them. Yeah.
These I'm guessing are flown by experience.
Yeah, World2Fly.
Being so big, yeah.
Well, the Jet 2 ones have just red, grey.
Yeah.
And those seats have been in there for like 7 years.
Right.
But I got a comment from someone saying, do you think the cargo space is similar on the RAF ones to these ones? And I was like, I have no idea. They're refuelers, I have no idea what's going on. That's like military stuff which you wouldn't tell you. Oh yeah, crosswind.
So it feels like they're more up, like we're more up at the front, randomly. Don't know why.
Oh yeah, because he's flaring.
Okay, that's flaring, is it? Right.
So we're going to land on the marsh.
Yeah, it does look like it, doesn't it?
I think he's going to slam on these reversers.
Wow, we're right at the end of the runway, literally.
Very good.
Wow, so the back came down first, yeah. Quite a big difference,
The way the gear's like that.
Right,
So it goes like that,
so it goes like
and then
that.
like that.
How many flights see one where they clap at the end? And I'm always like, that's their job.
Mainly
They
2E
do-
flights.
Is it? Yeah, they do it all the time. I've been
The ones where the babies cry.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. You say what did I? Oh, or is that so? Yeah.
They'd never clap on BA.
It feels different normally, but it was flaring, and then they came down like that. The back comes down to it like that.
picture.
He's taking a picture. Is this the first time it's come here?
Probably my mate.
Maybe it's the first time. Is this his first flying?
No, it came in last Saturday.
Right.
First.
Okay. Maybe it's his first day on shift.
Yeah. Maybe it's first day on the job.
Yeah, he's not seen it. Oh,
Yeah,
he's taking plenty of pictures.
Oh, he's loving it.
He is loving it, yeah.
Now, buckle done. You're not allowed to move, smoke or vape on the way to the terminal, or in the terminal itself. And before you go, please make sure
Maybe
you
he's doing a bit of PR, he's Instagramming or something.
As something will do during the flight. Service team will be happy to help you in the terminal.
A lot of people work in the industry because they're hobbyists. We love the.
Thanks for playing with us today.
That makes sense, yeah.
Enjoy your holidays. Have a lovely holiday.
Wow, even some flapping.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the last window seat available.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Well, so we're the 5 of us were going on a fitness retreat for the
Okay.
weekend, and there was supposed to be another gal coming, but her mum's not well, so
Okay, right.
so she backed out. So I booked this seat. She said, "Oh well, I'm gonna see how it goes, and then I'll she had to fly